Mdex is losing its position and presently stands firm on the foothold of number 245 with a market cap of $211,013,439.36. It has a flowing stock of 866,292,381 MDX coins. Since it is generally new, it is as yet not getting the market revenue as expected. Mdex, MDX, is another decentralized exchange and convention. It was sent off in 2021 that works on the idea of asset pools, imparting a few similitudes to standard dexes. It separates itself from contenders by utilizing a double-chain model. This is on both the Ethereum organization and the Huobi biological chain, allowing it admittance to the liquidity of the Ethereum environment. Mdex is contrasted and Uniswap. Uniswap is likewise like other cryptos with a decentralized engineering. Uniswap depends on Ethereum empowering clients to exchange tokens utilizing savvy contracts. The trading of this sort works with clients to trade the tokens without an outsider or some record keeping. Clients likewise give liquidity to such a market by weighty market interest. What makes Mdex extraordinary is its programmed market creator include. They likewise plan to build their client base by giving a superior client experience and adding numerous resources for the trade. They likewise plan to offer more easy-to-use models and fortify their local area and control its administration. As indicated by the engineers' arrangements, the trade will turn into a center for differing resources, in any event, offering them from different chains. The supported liquidity of Mdex will end up being important while pushing ahead. The trade is supposed to coordinate more administrations, for example, choices contracts, monetary loaning, protection, prospects contracts, and other decentralized administrations. As more development happens, the possibilities of Mdex turning into a huge player in the crypto market is a positive chance. We should investigate a portion of the business specialists' perspectives on Mdex cost conjecture, on the off chance that you are searching for virtual monetary standards with great returns. MDX can be a terrible, high-risk one-year speculation choice according to our Mdex figure. Mdex cost today rises to $0.2316, yet your ongoing speculation might be cheapened from here on out. Toward the beginning of December 2022, the Mdex cost will be around $0.3567. A greatest cost of $0.4280, a base cost of $0.3174 for December 2022. The typical cost of MDX for December 2022 is $0.3727. Mdex figure toward the finish of December 2022 $0.3567. As per the Mdex figure, in 2022, the Mdex cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 28 cents. The normal least cost of Mdex toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be 27 cents. Also, the MDX worth can arrive at the greatest cost degree of 33 cents. According to our Mdex cost expectation 2022, the MDX cost could hit 34 cents before the current year is over and 48 cents by 2026. As per our cost figure, in 2022, the MDX cost is supposed to arrive at the very least value level of $5.62. The MDX cost can arrive at a greatest cost of $6.39, with the typical value around its opposition level of $6.21. Mdex specialized examination. The ongoing cost of Mdex, MDX, is exceptionally low from its high in February 2021. The unsurpassed excessive costs of $10.06 was arrived at in something like 7 days with no opposition. The volume cost activity is obviously apparent in the MDX cost outline. Anything that caused the high unpredictability has lost it, and the suggested instability presently is genuinely steady in business sectors. For the last part of 2021, the cost of Mdex kept on moving sideways in a straight design. The overall strength list, RSI, hit oversold conditions in September end. For the present moment, the obstruction level is at $54, with the possibilities hitting that line expanding consistently. The sideways example might go on for quite a while, Yet the Mdex cost figure framework says that this probably won't go on for since a long time ago there is a high chance of the cost of Mdex, MDX, stirring things up around town levels in 2 months or less. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers continue their selling and lose confidence in the worth of Mdex crypto, the MDX cost could plunge to the help levels according to digital money expectations. Assuming that is the situation, utilizing swing exchanging systems, one can attempt to acquire section into the Mdex, MDX, market over the solidification region that structures over the opposition levels. Doing as such, one can utilize choices to exploit the low suggested unpredictability to purchase out of the cash, OTM, choices and create gains involving the expansion and suggested instability. The delta is probably going to increment over this level. Assuming that ideal case happens, one can likewise attempt to exploit the RSI to stand firm on their footings at the greatest cost degree of Mdex crypto till the overbought condition is coordinated. Mdex Value Forecast, 2022 to 2026. Utilizing RSI measurements, we imagine that cost can go up to the cost of 50 cents up to the year 2026. This Mdex cost expectation for 2022 is hopeful as the venture improvement is probably going to start things off. However long the pattern go on in a positive bearing, it can possibly visit the 48 cents territory before the year 2026 according to our Mdex gauge. Mdex Value Expectation 2022. As per general data for the ventures, major and specialized examination ought to be finished if one intends to put resources into Mdex, MDX, as long as possible. Consequently, merchants ought to do their own examination, dissect the pattern and markets and take venture guidance from their monetary consultant prior to putting resources into Mdex, MDX, for their future expectations information to procure a decent return. Mdex cost could reach 34 cents in the year 2022. Mdex Value Forecast 2023. The Mdex, MDX, value forecast depends on boundaries, for example, long-haul trendline with informational indexes backing and prescient displaying methods. It is encouraged to remain refreshed with digital currencies news, different estimates, and unofficial laws. It is anticipated that the Mdex cost will reach 38 cents in the year 2023. Mdex Value Expectation 2024. According to the Mdex cost expectation, the cost of Mdex could reach 43 cents in the year 2024. In general, financial backer opinion and digital money economic situations will figure out what really occurs with Mdex before long. Mdex Value Forecast 2020